Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about yen index and yen pairs. So let's get started. This one, a monthly chart, yen index monthly chart, just like USD index we watch, right? Every single individual currency also have its index. So just one currency, right? So this index, yen index, going up means yen will be getting weaker. And since yen is always on the right-hand side of each and every single yen pair, then they all will be going to the upside if this thing going to the upside. So this was my take that, it is bouncing from the TL, right? This TL from here. And nicely, so I said, okay, so this first it extension level 127, it hit, then dropped to the TL, right? But all the fundies were coming against yen, and yen was keep getting weaker. So I thought maybe bouncing from here will go next extension level, which is this one, right? And then Fibonacci expansion between this is also 161, is right around the corner here. So that was the target. So what happened to this chart? That it went up a little bit, and I said, well, if it goes above this, then we continue going to this upside. And when yen index goes up, yen gets weaker, and all yen pair also go up. Now, see, this what happened, right? So very close to this, and I says, okay, if it goes above this, well, the same chart, but it came very close to that again, hitting 127 extension, and then finally we went above this high. This is the highest point. Now I said watch 75.31 closely. Why? Because maybe it will drop back below this, right? Basically, I made the chart when it was a little bit below, and then we broke above it, and then I recorded the chart here on 27 December. Now target is still this 161% of this extension here. All right. So currently, this is 27th December, and then current chart right now, I recorded Saturday, January the 10th, is this. So we are still above 75.31, and now may drop to find support here and then continue to go to the upside if we stay above 75.31. Now, with that conclusion, if we continue going to the upside, all yen pair should be going to the upside as well. So let's take a look at the live chart. This is the one, right? So this is a monthly chart, and we are here, and it is now support. So now take a look at the weekly chart, and this is how it is, right? So if you pull the fib from here to here, this length, then 127 is right there, right? And that is actually from here to here. This fib, excuse me. All right, so 127 is somewhere here. This is see this 141% is 77, 78, and then weekly this 127 is coming to 77.56. So that is more likely is going to be the next target. Right here, what's happening here? We're hitting this area again and again and not being able to break it to the upside. Take a look at the daily chart. Is like this, right? So this rising blue TL within this channel, right? We first hit this channel height and then drop, and we drop exactly to this trend line. We hit that on Thursday, and then you see the Friday candle, powerful bullish candle. So it looks like that we are going to break this area and then continue to the upside. Where to? Again, on a 4-hour chart, let's see, this is how it looks like on a 4-hour chart. That, completely sideways move, drop here, and then hit this TL, rising TL, and then now powerfully go into the upside. Friday candle, we just saw the daily candle. This is the whole, like 4, 5, 6 candle representing Friday. And as soon as we break this high here, we're going to go to the upside. So this is the key to watch right now, this area, right? See that? Okay, so this area is the key. And like I said, that as soon as we break above this, and then we have, free flying zone and out of the radar, right? So now, okay, and then we have a long distance to go to be honest with you. There is nothing on the left-hand side. This is the highest point it will be, as long as, I mean, look, my chart is right here, right? It is from 2005. So we don't even need to look back before that. That's, 20 years, more than 20 years already, right? 2005 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 18 and 19 and 20, and now we are at 26. So that's enough. So this is the highest point right now we are at, and yen is keep getting weaker, right? So this is, yen index, and if it is keep going to the upside, like I said, the 75.31. Watch this. 75.31 is this line. See that how nicely it was like hitting this area a couple of times and dropping, and then again broke above it, went there, and then kind of like sideways, coming down, hitting the TL. On the daily chart, you can see that hit the TL and then boom, went up again. Right. So my take is that, okay, we are going to go to the upside continuously, and yen is going to get weaker, and yen pair will go up. Now, some of the yen pair that we are interested in is like, for example, the first one is that, let's say USD yen. Now, USD yen based on yen index and USD index. Now, yesterday I made the USD index chart, and according to my calculation, that that thing is going to go to the upside more, right? So if USD gonna get strong and yen is gonna get weaker, USD yen is gonna fly. So USD yen, the monthly chart is this, okay? USD yen monthly chart, and this is, I made it in September. This is my Elliott wave count. We have 1, 2, and then basically this whole thing is 2, or maybe 1, 2, 3, small 4, or maybe 3 is not finishing yet, right? But if I say, with calculation wise, that 1, 2, fib expansion, 161 represent wave 3 calculation, and 127, sometimes wave 3 is around 127, which already hit. We'll drop, but we're not dropping. Now we keep going to the upside. We're trying to go to the upside. So I think the next level will be 161, which will be this low as well. You can see there, right there, right? 7705. That's a long distance, by the way, right? And doing so, yen is going to get very weak, and all yen pair going to fly big time. So this is, this is not yen index. This is yen, USD yen. So yen index, we saw that, to go to 161, we have a long distance there. And that's why USD yen, with the US dollar getting strong and yen getting weaker, we can go to the upside. So weekly chart, not this one, not pretty, this one, right? So you can see the, Friday week, not Friday week, last week, powerful bullish candle. And as soon as we break this, this will be the next high, then this one, then this one, then 6040. 6040 is the one that we hit this one here, and then again, one more time here, and both times we got rejected. Now, how far they are going to take this, I don't know. I'm talking about the Bank of Japan. Maybe this time we will break this level, and they may be not able to defend it. And then we go to our final target of this 164, and then from there, the 164, right? And then monthly, you can see here, it's 179. And then even 127 is 162. So 162, let's say, and from here is 164. So yeah, but still we have to go to the upside. So that's USD yen. What about euro yen, pound yen? Let's take a look. Euro yen. Is euro yen also showing some bullish signs still? Let's take a look. With yen weakness, yes, they're all gonna go up. Now, this is the one that I made the chart a little while ago. That this is my this is euro yen, by the way, right? Let me just I made this script that just click it and then everything is printed here. All right, so this is a monthly chart, right? Actually, let me just change this in minutes. I don't want that. Monthly, right? Okay, so this is a monthly chart of euro yen. Now, wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. I said we're gonna drop for wave 4, and then we go for wave 5. Maybe, maybe not. We may drop here because of euro weakness as well. If euro gets weaker more than yen, we can drop, but maybe we not gonna drop, right? So if you see this expansion here, 127 here, 161 is coming here, right? And that's where, whoops, I don't know what the heck happened here. It went there. What's up? Anyway, so 161 is here, and if you look the expansion, not the expansion, extension, let's say, excuse me. So 161 is coming into like 141 extension, 127 extension is right there, and 161, and then, so extension for this one, even 127 is coming, not there, man, here, right? So, and 161 is this one. So I don't know if we're gonna drop for so far. There is no chance. I thought maybe gonna drop it, but yen is getting weaker, so a very slim chance. So we may go straight to this finishing wave three here. All right. So let's see. Let's see what happens. I will redo this chart again later on. What about I'm a little confused about this chart, but maybe euro is dropping. Let's take a look at the euro index quickly, that if euro is dropping or not. If not, then yeah, we're not gonna drop here for wave four. Okay, Euro index weekly charts is telling me that this is like a pole and a compression kind of thing here, and we may drop. This is a daily, a weekly, and this is daily, but nothing is clear. Nothing is clear. Yeah, see this? It hit this area here, and then trying to stop here, and this is also 61%, and which is not touched, but very close, right? So I can't tell anything here, so forget about it. GJ. Let's go take a look at the GJ. If GJ is in a mood to go to the upside alongside with the USD yen. Let's see. What the heck? Okay. Okay. So this is a GJ monthly chart, and you can see that I have a fib from here to here. 78% is coming there, 61 is already gone. Right? The shape of this pound yen is exactly as your yen index, right? So now extension from here to here is 127 is here, and 78 of this is here. So still to the upside. So we are gone. Now the next number would be 213.08. Right now we are at 211.58. So more to the upside. Okay. More to the upside. The daily chart was not made. Yeah, 213.08 is right there. This is one of the weekly charts, right? And with the 40-minute, yesterday, Friday, what happened? I opened a long here, right? And accidentally I closed it. And then I said, what the hell with it? I closed, maybe it's good for me. I made a mistake, no problem. I had to go someplace, right? So I said, forget it, no problem. On Friday, and then look what happened. I closed my long ears. I opened it and I accidentally closed it, and this thing went all the way. It was like 100 pips. So yeah, be careful about your things, and don't do in a hurry, because then you tend to make a mistake. Anyway, no problem. That happens. I'll catch it later on. So yeah, 40-minute is gone there, and then maybe it will dip a little bit and then continue to go to the upside to extension 127 of this. Right. So again, this is also going to the upside. What else? Maybe AJ. Let's take a look at that. I'll make the 40-minute chart, most of these 40-minute charts, and post on the Telegram, by the way. Right, so you guys can pick it up from there. Now, this is okay. Monthly chart is this. You see, more to the upside means more to this area, right? It's very clear here. This is the all-time high. We are shooting there. We once we hit that and then drop big time, and then again powerfully go into the upside. One reason for that is Aussie's strength, right? So Aussie is getting strong. Now yen is getting weaker. Then we are going for 0785 again. We are above this. We are just sitting on 0542, just above that. 0554. right? So we may retrace, may not. When the market opens up, then just well, see, this is how it is, right? How many entries this thing has given on a 40-minute chart? Watch how many setups should I say, right? Setup after setup. All you got to do is just go long, 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 right here, right here. Look at this one here. As soon as you have one reversal candle here, over here, right, over here, and then you take the entry from 7-minute chart. As simple as that, right? So yeah, this one powerfully going to the upside, but be aware that it is extended now, and it may retrace first and then go to the upside, right? That can happen. But yes, it is powerfully going to the upside, right? Forget about this. That never happened here. So it's like a very, it's like ABC correction, right? After whatever it is, let's say we're 5, then ABC correction. The last we're 4. That's exactly perfectly fine. And then this one this had to had a retracement, but it never did, and can constantly go into the upside. So it's kind of like a dangerous, but I'm not trading this pair lately. Very few times, but I'm bypassing this one and CAD yen. But let's take a look at the CAD yen as well. And all CAD, I mean, yen pairs in my book, they will be going to the upside. Where the heck is CAD yen? Boy, right here. CAD yen monthly chart, again, this one has high of this one, this and this, right? We are right here. This is the highest. This is all the chart that I have here since 2003. So target is going to be these levels, right? So we hit this one, 118.21, and drop, just like the other pairs, right? And then ABC correction, and then now going to the upside. So first, back to this number, then maybe these two numbers, given that yen constantly getting weaker. So let's see what happened. This is monthly chart. This is weekly chart. Again, just like same like USD yen and pound yen, right? So we are above this, we are above this, we are above this, we are just above this one as well. So the only where we can go is to the upside, but be aware of a retracement, right? They are all gone to the upside. Frank yen, I don't even have a chart for that. Forget about it, right? So this is how yen index and yen pairs are doing. So again, pay attention to that yen index chart, and if it is continuously going to the upside, then don't even think about going short in any of these yen pair. Right? They will all go to the upside. Yen is powerful than anything. Yen index moves a little bit, 20 pip, pairs move 50 pip. That's how it is. Right? It's like a diesel engine. So this is it for now for yen index and yen pairs, and I'll talk to you in some other video later on. All right, so have a very wonderful the last day of the weekend, and stay healthy and be happy.